A very good morning, students. So we are back with this topic that is phrases, right? So we were doing phrases and we have covered two phrases before, noun phrase and adjective phrase, right? And we have also done the proper meaning of phrase, that what basically a phrase is. So we'll just I'll just quickly summarize the meaning of what a phrase is. So a phrase is a group of words, right? It do not have a subject as well as a verb, and even it doesn't gives us a complete idea of that sentence. So that is basically a phrase. So further phrases, there are kinds of phrases, and we have already covered the two kinds of phrases. So today we'll do prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, right? So we'll cover more two types of phrases. So what is a prepositional phrase? Like any phrase that consists of a preposition. कोई भी phrase का मतलब क्या? Means those group of words जिसमें ना ही subject होगा, ना ही verb होगा, and ना ही वो जो group of words हैं, that will give us a complete idea of what exactly those groups of words are trying to say. तो any phrase that consists of a preposition, कोई भी ऐसा phrase which will consist a preposition and the object of the preposition, means वो phrase में एक तो preposition होगी और एक preposition का क्या होगा? Object, which will be a noun or a pronoun, right? और ये जो object होगा ना preposition का, ये या तो noun होगा या फिर it will be pronoun. And basically we call it a prepositional phrase. So what basically is a prepositional phrase? Any phrase that will consist of a preposition and it will also have an object, and that object can be a noun. A preposition, and it will also have an object, and that object can be a noun or a pronoun, and we do call it as a prepositional phrase. Such a phrase also at times consists of other modifiers. So they are also adding up to this, that ऐसे जो phrases होते हैं वो कुछ time में क्या, like a few times what do? They consist of other modifiers. और भी modifiers होते हैं उनमें, that basically describes the object of the prepositional phrase, जो कि उस prepositional phrase के object को और भी ज़्यादा describe करते हैं. Modifiers means कुछ और भी ऐसे words होते हैं which describes that object more, right? So we'll do few examples and it'll be more clear. Students are advised to be on time. तो ये जो है to be on time here is the prep. Second one is he sacrificed his life for the sake of his country. So here for is the preposition and for the sake here is the prepositional phrase. In the end we all have to die. So in here is the preposition and in the end here is the prepositional phrase. He is on the way. On here is the preposition and on the way here is the prepositional phrase. Now just look over the sentence. Just look into the sentence. He is on the way. He here is the subject. Is here is the verb. ठीक है, ये साइड करो. On the way, if you just look into these three words, so these are phrases. ये phrases ही हैं because these are groups of words, right? And they don't contain a subject, nor does they contain, nor it basically the sentence is containing any sort of verb. And अगर आप ये इतना सा पढ़ोगे, that is on the way, it will not give us a complete idea of what actually the sentence is trying to say. So ये basically क्या हो गया? Phrase हो गया. It is a phrase, but it is which phrase? It is prepositional phrase, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये जो है preposition on यहाँ पे use की गई है, right? And next is by working aimlessly you will not get success. So by here is the preposition, by working, right, aimlessly. Next is in spite of. So in spite over here, in spite of over here is the prepositional phrase. So in spite of working hard he was insulted by his boss. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द prepositional phrase. तो prepositional phrase होता क्या है? एक ऐसा phrase जिसमें preposition होती है and उसका जो object होता है वो या तो noun होता है या फिर वो Okay, the second one is conjunctional phrase. So first let us actually know that what is the meaning of conjunction, that conjunctions होते क्या है. So conjunctions are actually connecting words and we basically use conjunctions to join words, phrases, sentences and clauses, right? So here we will be doing conjunctional phrases, like conjunctional phrase, and what basically is a conjunctional phrase? It actually works as a conjunction in a sentence. So ये जो conjunctional phrase होता है ये conjunction की तरह ही work करता है एक sentence में, and phrases होते क्या हैं? They are groups of words. Now look over here. Like we'll do few sentences. The president as well as the secretary has come. So यहाँ पे जो ये है as well as, ये क्या है? Conjunctional phrase. Not only he but also his brother helped me. So not only but also, ये क्या है? एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आर कंजंक्शन, क्योंकि ये दो सेंटेंसेस को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. एंड ये कंजंक्शनल फ्रेज कैसे हैं? बिकॉज देर आर मोर दैन, लाइक देर आर ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स, राइट? As soon as you got in, he went out. So as soon as, what is this? It is a conjunctional phrase. We have to work hard so that over here is a conjunctional phrase. We can win the next match. I will attend the ceremony provided that you come. So provided that here is the conjunctional phrase. John started working early in order that he could finish early. So order that here is the conjunctional phrase. So these are the conjunctional phrase. And what is actually the work of a conjunctional phrase? वो एक conjunction की तरह ही work करता है एक sentence में. Students, we have covered these two phrases. First is prepositional phrase, second वाला conjunctional phrase है. Just go through it, ठीक है? And just try to understand these two phrases, right?